It's Callie and Elliot with Dalla Vita, and today we're going to be planning up one of our vertical circles.
The Dalla Vita Vertical Circle was an idea that we came up with a few years ago. It's a round vertical garden, so it's a unique spin on the traditional square and rectangle vertical gardens that you typically see.
A few key features of this planter: it is 8 inches in diameter and 2 inches high. It has 21 holes that allow you to place each plant in, and it also has 2 nail holes that allow for it to be hung on a wall and spun depending on the direction of the light exposure. The nail holes can also serve as drainage holes.
This was a really fun and interesting process coming up with this planter idea. We first had to find someone that would make a model of what we wanted for us, and then we had to find a ceramic design studio to produce them.
We only have a limited supply of this run left, but we'll put a link down below if you'd like to grab one.
The vertical circles are available in 2 different colors, an all white and then a blue-green combo. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick demonstration on how easy it is to plant one of these up. All you need is some sphagnum moss, a paintbrush or a screwdriver, and then about 19 to 21 2-inch succulents. So you'll want to start by soaking your moss a little bit. You want to be sure to wring out any excess water so that the moss is just moist and not dripping wet. I'll then go ahead and pack it into my planter until it's pretty much full. Using my fingers, I'm going to make a space in the moss of my center hole and then take one of my succulents, breaking off the dirt until there's just a little bunch of roots left, and then I'll place it into the hole. Using the end of my screwdriver or my paintbrush, I'll pack in the sphagnum moss so that it's nice and snug and holds the plant into place. I'll repeat this process until I've filled the planter completely. So I'm all finished up. You can see how great the plants look planted really compact like this, and you don't have to worry because the plants are only going to grow as large as the space you give them, so you can expect these to stay pretty small and compact as long as they receive enough light. We recommend watering this about once every week or so when the moss is really dry, and you want to do that by using either a watering can or your sink faucet and really get that moss that's down in there soaked so that the roots get watered well. To display this arrangement, you can either lay it flat on a table or you can hang it on a wall using a nail. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.